800 pumps have been installed. 730 pumps of 3 HP installed in Rajasthan, both open well and submersible pumps. 5 HP. 7.5 HP is the maximum. 7.5 no, 10 HP also is working in Kolachil.
Sir, what about the how many kilometers we can push in the canals? It will be pumped. Okay, how many kilometers we can pump?
It all depends on the pipe losses. The smaller the pipe, higher is the friction loss. Okay. It is all related to how you size it from an engineering perspective. That's all. Pump does work in terms of quantum of water it can push and the pressure it requires. If it gets the power from the solar PV and through an inverter it gets converted to AC power, it's fine. It's all about sizing. That is all. Pricing for the 3 HP is about 2.5 lakhs. 5 HP is 5.5.
Is there any subsidy?
And this includes your modules, structures, controller, pump, transportation, installation.
What about subsidy?
4.5 lakhs for a 3 HP, 5.5 lakhs for a 5 HP.
Subsidy?
Subsidy, if you are in Tamil Nadu and if it's through Agricultural Engineering Department, you get 80% subsidy.
80%? Directly or?
80%?
No, it's directly.
Andhra schemes announced. Rajasthan it's 85%. Karnataka, Maharashtra also. But essentially what you get is 30% subsidy from MNRE and you have to apply it directly. See, Tamil Nadu, I'll explain how the subsidy scheme works in Tamil Nadu or in Rajasthan particularly. As a farmer you go apply, okay, to any of the AEDs, agricultural departments that are there based in every district in Tamil Nadu. So once you apply, then they do a land survey to identify whether 50 meters head which they have described in the tender fits into your scheme of things. If it goes through and if you are lucky enough, they send you a letter saying that yes, it's approved, you come and pay a 20% farmer's contribution. So if it's a 5 lakhs, you pay 1 lakh. And after that a work order is released on the suppliers like us, then we supply, we get the 20% farmer's contribution. Next 65% is after installation, commissioning and verification, and the balance 15% after 2 years of successful. The scheme is for an AMC of 5 years. Government of Rajasthan, Government of Tamil Nadu, no way. Payments and all that we get it. Just be careful. 50 meters. 50 meters restriction in Tamil Nadu. At this point in time, that's
what is that? 50 meters head of water?
50 meters in total. It can be for a depth of 100 feet, and then the balance 30-40 feet you use for probably horizontal flood irrigation or more, use for drip, cold drips. 62 places wherever we are installed at this point in time. The water is available. They have identified places where there is 100 feet of water. Panels, yes.
Is the specification cost?
You can experience a shock. It's a DC. DC will actually attract and char you to death. Okay. Just give me a go to earth, just be careful. I don't know when this will be here. Panels for 10 years. The system is warranted for 5 years. The expected life panels, they say 25 years. They'll be reduced more. Every panel manufacturer, naturally they give that. For subsidy schemes, it's always in India.
Is there a specification and cost?
Controller, if the entire system, you give a 5-year warranty as per the scheme.
Is there a specification and cost in the unit?
In the unit, 3 HP. 3 HP, in the system, it gives about 10,000 liters per hour at 20 meters height. This is only 3 HP system. The entire system costs about 4.5 lakhs. Regular AC pump. Regular AC pump compatible for PMD. PMD operation at 23 years.
With no subsidy. With no subsidies.
No subsidy. No frills.
What is the maintenance of this panel?
Maintenance, all you have to do is just you need to just clean it. Yeah, you can spray. The only thing is you have to switch on the panel. It should be before sunrise, after sunset. Not when the system is energized.
150 அடிக்கு கீழே இந்த கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர் 150 அடியில்
கீழே போனாங்க ground water. What is the efficiency of how this system will work?
No, it will be
Based on the efficiency, up to what? The existing pump is 40% efficiency and the
போடலாம் 200-300 ஃபீட் கூட வரும் பட் ஹெச்பி அந்த கெப்பாசிட்டி வாட்டர் வந்து கம்மியாகும்
subsidy la the 50% otherwise you have power you have lower capacity pump lower capacity motor it will work you will not get the subsidies coming
DC motor up to 2 HP. Yes. It's also commercially viable.
yeah you can use
2 HP. Direct pump. But the pump itself will be powered.
sometimes you want to prefer to
Can give a hybrid. That will not be available. You can. But of course, let us be customized. Today, we have gone into the agriculture because market is very immense. One, and there's a lot of focus going on. Okay. For any private customers, cost is pretty prohibitive when compared to the load of power. Right? People are actually, the mindset is just a mindset change. Right? Now, more people are opting for solar because people have understood the environmental dividends it can give. One, and also the social dividends in the rural community. Today, you won't believe in Rajasthan, every farm more or less has either a sprinkler. Okay, the first place we would be baffled with the fact that there water in Rajasthan. You won't believe at 60 feet you have water. 20 meters. 400 feet, 600 feet, I'm just trying to it is work, but you do not know when people start the building, they take something. What do I am trying to